This is Marxism of Karl Marx, and these are the fundamental ideas in Marxist ideology. First is historical materialism. Second is dialectical change. Then you get the idea of alienation, surplus extraction, right? Then you move forward and see falling of the profit, proletarian revolution, creation of a transitory socialist state, and then finally you go to the level of communism. And this all is happening within the framework of scientific socialism. Not only this, one more thing which gives insight on what Marx thought about humanity. And he said, the development of all cannot be possible without development of each. Or in other words, the development of each is the precondition for the development of all. And since class is a structure of domination and state is class state, in this kind of society you don't need state, and that is what Marx said, that state will wither away. After Marx, there have been some new trends. Like you can think about guys like Lenin or Stalin. Now as far as Lenin is concerned, Lenin had taken a lot of things from Marx, and he was the first person to carry out a successful revolution. Interestingly, you must keep this in mind, that the way we think about Lenin is not the same manner we think about Rosa Luxemburg. Is not the same manner we think about this person called Mr. Trotsky. We don't think about him in the same regard. Why? Because history is written from a perspective of those who are winners. So Leninism was actually about creation of a vanguard party. Lenin's idea was that if you are not giving direction to the working classes, they can only achieve the trade union consciousness. You need to give direction, and that direction requires creation of a vanguard party. Under this vanguard party, the revolution will take place. And Lenin's revolution was taken to a different level by Mr. Stalin. And Stalin thought about having a second revolution, which actually developed more brutal forms of democratic centralism, and apart from that, a pure collectivization program. On the one hand, Stalin was claiming to be following Marx ideals, also known as orthodox communism. It is another flip side of a totalitarian regime. That is why scholars like Hannah Arendt said that if there is one end of the extreme Nazism, the other end of totalitarian side was Stalinism.